Hello, good afternoon. I am Shaukat Hassan with the topic linear equations. First, we will define what's a linear equation. A linear equation is an equation of degree 1. Degree means highest power to the variable. I will take an example. 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Here, the variable is x and the power to the variable is 1. And that is the degree of the equation is 1, therefore it's a linear equation. Here in class 8 we have linear equation in one variable. Here we have only one variable x, therefore this is an equation, this is a linear equation in one variable. So how do we solve this linear equation in one variable? We have to find out the value of variable x, and that is the solution of this equation. For example, we will solve it like this: 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Now we have to find out the value of x, so we need to eliminate this plus 3. This plus 3 will get cancelled with minus 3, so we can write subtracting 3 from both sides. Subtracting 3 from both sides. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. We are left with 2x is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. And this 2 is in multiplication with x. Now this 2 will get cancelled when we divide the same term by 2. That is 2x is equal to 2. Dividing both sides by 2, we get 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We are left with x is equal to 1. Now in class 9th, we have linear equations in two variables. I will take an example. The general linear equation two variable, we can write it as ax plus by is equal to c. And I will take an example here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This is a linear equation because degree of this equation is 1. Highest power to the variable is 1. So we will try to solve it. How do we solve the linear equation in two variable? We solve it by putting value of x or y, and for each value of one variable we get a value for other variable. That's as put x is equal to 1, put x is equal to 0, we get 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. This implies that 0 plus 3y means 3y is equal to 12. This implies that y is equal to 12 by 3. 3, 4 or 12. Y is equal to 4. So I will make a box for solutions x and y. When x is put as 0, when we put x equal to 0, we get y is equal to 4. Now let's put y equal to 0, we get 2x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 12. This implies that 2x plus 3 into 0 is 0 is equal to 12. We get 2x is equal to 12. This will further imply that x is equal to 12 by 2. 2 into 6, 12. Now for y equal to 0, we get x is equal to 6. For y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 6. Let's take one more value. Now let us put x is equal to 3 in this equation. We get 2 into x is replaced by 3 plus 3y is equal to 12. This number 3 to 1, 6 plus 3y is equal to 12. This implies that 3y is equal to 12 minus 6. This implies that 3y is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. This further implies that y is equal to 6 by 3. 3 1 or 3 2 or 6. This implies we get y is equal to 2. So for x is equal to 3, we get y is equal to 2. For x is equal to 3, we get y is equal to 2. Similarly, we can get infinite number of points. We can substitute infinite number of values to x, and for each value we will get a value for y. Therefore, there are infinite number of solutions to a linear equation in two variable. In class 10th, we have pairs of linear equation in two variable, and there are so many methods of finding the solution of the pair of linear equations, that is substitution method, graphical method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. We can find out the solution of a pair of linear equation by any of the three methods. By graphical method, if the graph of the two equations, that is two lines, if they intersect at one point, we call that the given pair of linear equation will have unique solution. If the graphs of the two equations are parallel to each other, we say that the pair will have no solution. And if they coincide each other, we say that the pair of linear equations will have infinite number of solutions. So let's solve a pair of linear equation. The general form of pair of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Like this. We also compare the ratios of these two equations. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we say that the given pair of linear equations will have unique solution. And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, we say that the given pair of linear equation will have no solution. And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, we say that infinite number of solutions exist.